We will start our virtual tour with our foundry operations and follow it through the logical process of the final assembly and testing. You are watching the workings of one of the most technically advanced foundry operations in the Americas. This foundry is totally automated with only a handful of people producing more than 2,500 tons a month in precision cast iron parts. The cleanliness, productivity, and efficiency of this foundry operation is unmatched. Steel scraps coming from the lamination stamping area and other scrap materials from machining processes make up much of the content of the cast iron used in the fabrication of our motor housings and the related cast iron parts. All of these cast iron components are made in WEG's own foundries. By using our own foundries, we have total control over the quality and content of material used in our cast parts. The composition of elements in our cast iron is constantly monitored and adjusted in our laboratory with the use of some very sophisticated spectral analysis computer equipment. The result is a zero scrap rejection of materials of more than 2,500 tons of castings per month, and the highest grade of cast iron used in the motor industry. It's referred to as FC200, a Portuguese term equivalent to the ASTM ratings used in the U.S. The conveying oven's computer-controlled crucible pours the exact amount of molten iron in each die to produce the parts. After cooling down, all parts have the sand removed. Then, as a final process, a steel bead blasting machine removes any remaining sand or slag. This leaves the cast parts with a very smooth surface to enhance the adhesion of the paint for superior appearance and corrosion resistance. Only after passing through a final visual inspection after the bead blasting, the parts are primer painted in a dipping bath. The complete immersion process assures the part is thoroughly coated and protected. Yes, it is an added expense to our process, but it's one of the things that shows through in WEG's quality. It is a true testimonial to process automation at work. All of the automation and software for this plant, as well as more than 70 other manufacturing plants at WEG, was designed, built, and installed by WEG's own automation group.